Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. To take the screenshot in this device, the first method, tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. I will show you. Now you can see the screenshot is captured. This is the basic method. Simply tap on volume down button and the lock button at the same time. The screenshot is captured. So the second method, using the accessibility menu, you can take a screenshot. You can see bottom right side, this is accessibility menu. If you tap on it, then go to the other side. Here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Tap on screenshot. You can see simply the screenshot is captured. To enable this accessibility menu, go to your settings, then scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on installed services. So in this page on the top, you can see the option accessibility menu. Tap on it and you need to turn on this option. Then only we can take a screenshot using this accessibility menu. Simply you can take a screenshot. So the next method to take a screenshot, here you can see one menu. This is assistant menu. If you tap on it, so here you can see the option to take a screenshot. Just tap on it. You can see the screenshot is captured. Okay. So to enable the assistant menu, go to your settings, then tap on accessibility. So here you can see the option interaction and dexterity. Tap on it. So here you can see the option assistant menu. You need to turn on this option to enable the assistant menu. Just tap on the assistant menu, tap on screenshot. Simply you can take a screenshot using assistant menu. So the next method to take a screenshot, go to your notification panel, then tap on the plus button. So here you can see the option screen capture. Just tap and hold on this shortcut and place here, then tap on done. Now you can see that option is here, screen capture. Just tap on it, then tap on start now. Then you can see the screenshot is captured. You can see if you tap on it, you can see the screenshot is here. Okay, you can see the screenshot. Again, I will show you. Go to the page that you want to take a screenshot. Then go to notification panel and tap on screen capture. Then tap on start now. You can see the screenshot is captured. If you tap on it, then you can see that screenshot is here. Okay. A partial screenshot using... So if you want to take a partial screenshot, go to the edge panel and tap on this option rectangle or oval. So here I am going to take the option rectangle. Then here you can see one rectangle is here and you can adjust the rectangle. So you have to select the portion that you want to take the screenshot. You can see, then tap on done. Then if you want to download this one, then tap on this download button, tap on it. Now you can see saving image to gallery. To enable this edge panel, go to your settings, then tap on display, scroll down. Here you can see the option edge panel. Tap on it and you can customize the edge panel shortcuts. If you tap on this panel and you can see some shortcuts, you can add these option to your edge panel to easy access of these options. So here I selected these two options, apps and smart selector. Okay, you can select these options also. So here you can see the option smart select. In that smart select, you can take a screenshot using this edge panel. If you tap on the edge panel, then if you want to take a screenshot of one circle shape, tap on this oval and you can adjust this size. Then tap on done. Then tap on download button. You can see saving some image to gallery. So in these ways, you can take a screenshot in this device. So if you want to take a long screenshot, then again, you have to take a screenshot using any these method. So here I am using the volume down and the lock button. Then here you can see one down arrow. Just tap on it. You can see the screen is scrolling. Again, tap on it. The screen is again scrolling. Tap on it. Then after that, just tap on the screenshot. Now you can see the long screenshot is here. You can zoom this image also. You can see it is very clear, right? So simply in these ways you can take a screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.